Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. A couple weeks ago I started working on my motorcycle because I want to make it look more like my motorcycle and less like a motorcycle that came off the shelf. I started by giving the tank a new look and making a new seat, and I also built a cool cargo rack so I can bring some stuff on a road trip with me. Now this week I tackled the probably most important feature, at least for me, and that is the tool roll. Because it's an old bike and when I'm on the road I want to be able to help myself or even help others. The most fun about this project is thinking about what would you bring on a trip. I made my selection, but I'm also interested in hearing your options. What did I miss? What would you bring that I didn't pack in my tool roll? You can let me know in the comments below, but now let's jump into it. super happy with how this came out, especially since it's detachable, and that means it's not only a tool roll for my motorcycle, but I can also take it with me when I'm, you know, taking the van or the camper or my bicycle or my multicar or whatever it is. I can bring this tool roll with me. So as I said in the beginning, let me know, what did I miss? What would you bring? I'm excited to hear your opinion. But now, as always, I want to thank my, camera is shaking. I want to thank my friends, partners and sponsors for supporting my work. Check out the links in the description for all the different tools and companies that I work with. But most of all, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll try my best to make it good.